You are much better off where you are, said September. कहला ताकू तू जाई परिबुनी. Let me out. से कहला let me out. हाँ, I will go out, said the little bird. And he tried to slip through the bars of the cage. तो बार देके से चाहला वो पड़े, slip through. But of course could not. Of course is a phrase. Okay. Of course माने, but of course could not माने से जाई पाला नहीं. हाँ, really, of course माने really. And he beat against the door. এটা আছে past tense, beat ର past tense. He beat against the door, but of course, again of course, he could not open it. ଏଠି ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଥିଲା could not. He could not open it. Then the 8 princesses came in and looked at him. They told September she was very wise to take their advice. Okay, to take their advice. जो advice तांकर ग्रहण कला. Okay, so she was wise. They said he would soon get used to the little bird. They said he would soon get used to the cage. तार अभ्यास है जो used to the cage, and in a few days would quite forget he had ever been free. आगुरु केबे फ्री थिला से भूली जो हला. He would quite forget. Would quite forget. The little bird said nothing at all. किछि कहलानी. While they were there. But as soon as they were gone, he began to cry again. They were gone. Okay. से पळेला पर they were gone, he began to cry again. केमती कौन डाक छाड़ा, let me out, एमती कहला. Don't be such an old silly, said September. Okay, September कहला don't be such an old silly, said September. जो let me out हला. I have put you in the cage because I am so fond of you. तुझे रखी मु तुझे भल पाऊँ बोली. I am fond of you. I know what is good for you much better than you do yourself. मैंने तू जति जानी चु, what you know, you do माने इधि you know yourself. Sing me a little song and I will give you a piece of sugar. से कहला sing me a little song, मतलब उन्हें सुना. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage, okay, looking out at the blue sky, and never sang a note. किछ भी गाइला, never sang a note. Note माने जो कहती musical notes. What is good for sulking? Sulking माने मन दुख करी बसिया. What is good for sulking? Said September. Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? से कहूँ sulking मन दुख कहीं करी बसचु. You sing. Why don't you sing and why don't you forget your troubles? How can I sing? Answered the bird. I want to see the trees and the lake and the green rice growing in the fields. Okay, so देखिए उधर the green rice, धानो. I will take you out every day, she said. से कहला अच्छा It is not the same thing. So कहला तुम्हें मते नबो. It is not the same thing. मु जीवी. मु कहले I am free. Okay, it is not the same thing. Okay, said the little bird. The rice fields and the lake and the willow trees look quite different when you see them through the bars of a cage. Okay, the rice fields and the lake and the willow tree, willow gote gacha, look quite different when you see them through the bars of the cage. So कहला तू मते केज भीतर नहीं जीवु आ बार्स भीतर मु देखिबी. So they will look quite different. The bird wouldn't sing a song and he wouldn't eat a thing. Hello? So wouldn't eat. The princess had a little anxious, was a little anxious at this. She was a little anxious. चिंतित रहिला and asked her sisters what they thought about it. Sister को पचारला तमे कौन ताको छाड़िबा ना रखिया. You must be firm. Firm माने कौन strong. जानी firm, they said. But if you won't eat, you will die. She answered. यदि खाइबनी मरी जीवो. That would be very ungrateful of him, they said. Hela se कहले ungrateful of him माने से आम पे ungrateful हला. आमे ताको आनी रखिले खाइबो देले से आम पे किछि काम कलानी. That would be very ungrateful of him माने से आम को ungrateful कला. Right? They said, he must know that you are only thinking of his own good. हला ता गुड ता विषय भल तू चाहूचु. If he is obstinate, जब से जिद्दिया हबो कौन हबो जिद्दिया and dies, it will serve him right. हला ताले ता पई भल हबो से ठीक बुद्धि सियो. It will serve him right ता माने and you will be well rid of him. हला आउ तू भी ताको छाड़ी दे छाड़ी दे. Well rid of him. Yeah. चोट से मुक्ति. September didn't see how that was going to do her very much good, but they were 8-1 and all older than she, so she said nothing. Hela se कहूची September didn't see how that was going to do her very much good. माने ये जो कहला माने केमिति से ताको गुड हबो माने यू विल वेल rid of him माने ताठू से दूरे गले केमिति ता पई भलो हबो. हाउ इट विल बी गुड, हाउ इट विल बी वेल rid of him से जानि परलानी. डिडंट से हाउ दैट वाज गोइंग टू डू और वेरी मच गुड. ताठू अलगा हले ताको भलो हबो ता बोली से माने कहले तो से कि जानि परलानी. बट दे वर 8-1. They were 8-1. 8-1 माने कौन? They were 8-1. सेवन से 8 जन से जणे. Okay. And all older than she. 8-1. But they were 8-1. And all older than she. They were 8-1 माने they were 8-1 माने कौन? ते 7 जन थिले कि? ना 9 जन. अच्छा ताले they were 8-1 माने ते 8 जन ये जणे हैला. And all of the older than she had so बड़ थिले. So she said nothing. Perhaps he will have got used to his cage by tomorrow. से भाबिला he will have got used to his cage. ହେଲା ସେ ତା କେଜ୍ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଇଏ ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ by tomorrow. And next day when she awoke ଟା କାହାର past tense? She cried out good morning in a cheerful voice. She got no answer. ହେଲା ସେ କିଛି କହିଲାନି. She jumped out of bed and ran to the cage. Ran to ସେଠି ପଳେଇଲା କେଜ୍ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ଦେଖିଲା କଣ ଅଛି. She gave a startled cry. ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇକିରି ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ହେଲା. For there the bird lay. bird ଟା ପଡିଥିଲା ହେଲା. bird lay. lay ର କାହାର past tense? lie. କାହାର? ଶୋଇକିରି ପଡିଥିଲା ହେଲା. ଶୋଇ ପଡିଥିଲା. at the bottom on his side with his eyes closed. Okay, so for there the bird lay at the bottom on his side with his eyes closed and he looked as if he were dead. ମଲା ଭଳିଆ ଦିଶୁଥିଲା ହେଲା. She opened the door and putting her hand in the lifted ହେଲା. putting her hand in the lifted and sorry, she opened the door ଟା ଖୋଲିଲା and putting her hand in ତା ଭିତରକୁ ପୁରେଇଲା ହାତ. putting her hand in ହେଲା ପୁରେଇଲା. lifted him out ବାହାର କଲା. lifted ବାହାର କଲା ହେଲା. ବାହାର କରି ଆଣିଲା ହେଲା. lifted him out ଉଠେଇକିରି ଆଣିଲା. she gave a sob of relief. ଟିକେ କାନ୍ଦିଲା. she gave a sob of relief. For she felt that his little heart was beating still. କାହିଁକି ଏମିତି କଲା? because ଏଠି for ମାନେ କଣ? because she felt that ହେଲା ସେ ଭାବିଲା that his little heart was beating still ହେଲା. ତା heart ଟା his little heart was beating still. wake up little bird, she said. his little heart was beating still. ସେ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ବୋଲି ସେ ଭାବିଲା. ସେ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ବୋଲି ହେଲା. wake up little bird, she said. She began to cry and her tears fell on the bird. He opened his eyes and saw that the bars of the cage were no longer around him. ହେଲା no longer around him. ମାନେ ସେ free ହେଇଛି. I cannot sing unless I am free, and if I cannot sing I die. ହେଇଗଲା ମୁଁ ନ ଗାଇଲେ ମରିଯିବି. He said. The princess gave a great sob. princess ଆହୁରି କାନ୍ଦିଲା. Then take your freedom. ସେ କହିଲା ନେ ତୋର freedom ତୁ ନେ. She said, I shot you in a golden cage because I loved you and wanted to have you all to myself. ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଥିଲି have you all to myself. ମାନେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ହିଁ ତୁ ଖାଲି ରହିବୁ. ଏଇଟା ତ ସରିବ ହେଇଯାଉ. ଆଚ୍ଛା ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ତତେ ଭାବୁଥିଲି because I loved you and I wanted to have you all to myself. କେବଳ ମୋ ଲାଗି. but I never knew it would kill you. I love you enough to let you be happy. ହେଲା in your own way. ତେଣୁ ତୁ ଯାଆରେ. है तो ये पहुंच सी थ्रू ओपन द डोर विंडो and gently place the little bird on the sill माने विंडो खोलला एटा विंडो है खोलिकी सिल ऊपर रखीदेला एटा विंडो सिल है gently place the little bird on the sill एटा सिल एटा रखीदेला he shook himself a little से टिके ता निजु हलेला shook ता कार past tense come and go as you will little bird she said है से कहला जिते बेले चाहिए आसपर I will never put you in a cage anymore से कहला मु तो केज रखिबिनी जिते बेले चाहिए आस I will come because I love you little princess said the bird bird भी कहला हूँ मु आसीबी and I will sing you the loveliest songs I know बढ़िया मु कहला है loveliest song तो सुनेबी I shall go far away but I shall always come back and कहला मु बहुत दूर को पळेबी I shall always come back I shall always come back and I shall never forget you he gave himself another shake पुंटी हलिला good gracious me how stiff I am से कहला गॉड को कहला good gracious me मुंचियाला how stiff I am ने रही रही कि स्टीफ हो जाई ए देन हलुची he exclaimed then he opened his wings and flew right away into the blue आकाश को उड़ीगला but the little princess burst into tears किंतु ये कांदिला but for it is very difficult to put the happiness of someone you love before your own and with her little bird far out of sight she felt all of a sudden very lonely से कौन कहूँ but the little princess burst into tears कहीं for it is very difficult to put the happiness of someone you love before your own है से कहूँ because it is difficult to put the happiness of someone you love before your own तेणु कार हैप्पीनेस मु तमे पछरे रखि परिबो कि डिफिकल्ट टू पुट द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ समवन यू लव बिफोर योर ओन तम हैप्पीनेस को आगे रखि परिबो कि एटा से कहला बिफोर योर ओन हैप्पीनेस तुम हैप्पीनेस रो आगे रे तुमे जा को भलो पाउचो ताकर हैप्पीनेस टा को रखि परिबो कि नाही ताको आगे रखियो तेणु and with her little bird far out of sight she felt से पळेला बहुत दूर को all of a sudden very lonely किंतु से lonely हो गला हैला when her sisters knew what had happened they mocked her से तापर थट्टा कले and said that the little bird will never return but he did किंतु से फेरिला at last and he sat on September's shoulder and ate out of her hand ता हाथ के जिनस रखिला ता खाइला and sang her the beautiful songs और ताकू सुनेला sang her the beautiful songs he had learned while he was flying up and down the fair places of the world fair places जे जाउथला एडु सबु जोड़ा सिखिकरी आस्तिला सियाडु September kept her window open day and night so that the little bird might come into our room whenever he felt inclined से जिते बेले ताको inclined लागिवो ସେଇଠିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ ବୋଲି ସେ ଡୋରଟା ଓପନ କରି ରଖିଛି। And this was very good for her. So she grew extremely beautiful. Okay? Huh? So this was good, very good for her. ये जो ओपन कर रखिला ହେଲା ତାକୁ ଏଟା ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ବି ଏଟା ହେଲ୍ପ କଲା। She grew extremely beautiful. And when she was old enough, she married the king of Cambodia and was carried on a white elephant on the way to the city in which the king lived. ହେଲା ସେ କୋଉଥିରେ ଗଲା? ହଁ, she was carried on a white elephant all the way to the city which the king lived. ସେଠି ଗଲା। But her sisters never slept with their windows open. ସେମାନେ slept ହେଲା କେବେ ଏମିତି କରୁନଥିଲେ, ଓପନ ରଖୁନଥିଲେ। So they grew extremely ugly as well as disagreeable. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ପଳେଇବ ହେଲା ଏମିତି ରହିଲେ। And when the time came to marry them off ତାଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ବାହା ହେବାକୁ, marry them off ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମ୍ୟାରି କରିକି ନେଇଯିବ ହେଲା। They were given away to the king's counselors. ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଉ କାହା କେହି ତାକୁ